Hello everyone, this is your Kalpana. Today in this video we are going to learn monomial, binomial, trinomial. Monomial means 1, binomial 2, trinomial 3. Okay, let's begin with monomial. Monomial. Okay, a polynomial containing one term is called a monomial. Okay, example. F of x equals to 5x square. G of y equals to 2y cube. Okay. So, these are polynomials having one term. So, this is called monomial. Okay. Polynomial in variable x, polynomial in variable y. Okay. So, these are called monomial. A polynomial containing one term. One term. A polynomial containing one term is called monomial. Okay. So next we'll see binomial. Bi means two. Binomial. A polynomial containing two unlike terms. Two unlike terms is called binomial. A polynomial containing two unlike terms is called binomial. Two unlike terms. Example. F of x equals to 5x plus 4. G of y equals to 3y square plus 2y. Okay. Here also you are having two unlike terms, and in f of x also you are having two unlike terms. Okay. So f of x is having two unlike terms. So we call it as binomial. And in polynomial g of y, we are having two unlike terms again. So we call g of y as binomial. Okay. Binomial is nothing but a polynomial containing two unlike terms. Two unlike terms is called binomial. Next, trinomial. Coming to trinomial. What is tri? Tri means three. Trinomial. A polynomial containing three unlike terms. Three unlike terms is called trinomial. Is called trinomial. Okay, how many unlike terms? Three unlike terms. Okay, example. F of x equals to 5x cube plus 4x plus 2. G of y equals to 3y square plus 3y plus 5. Okay, see here you're having three terms. Polynomial in variable x and polynomial in variable y. So these are having three unlike terms. So we call this polynomial as trinomial. Okay. Trinomial is nothing but a polynomial containing three unlike terms. Okay. So what we have learned? Binomial, monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial means a polynomial having one term. Binomial means a polynomial having two unlike terms. And trinomial means a polynomial having three unlike terms. Okay. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, just leave your comments below. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.